This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 150 by 60 unit. Then I will proceed to 60 unit. Then in the top surface of the plane, I will draw another rectangle. Okay, and this rectangle has a distance of 10 unit from this side and 10 unit from the other side, and it has a extrude cut of 16 unit plus 24 unit, so it will cover this portion of extrude cut. So after that we can see we have another inclined triangular cut, and this inclined line has a dimension of 45 unit apart from this line and a distance of 25 unit from this line, and the upper distance from here to here is 16 plus 24 unit. Then I will close the shape. Okay, then I will extrude cut it. Then if we come, you can see we have another inclined line in this face, and we have a dimension of 45 unit from here, and this distance is 16 unit and this distance is 25 unit. Then we can see we have another small line, and this small line has a dimension of 30 unit from here. Okay, then I will close this shape. Okay, then I will extrude cut this portion. After that we can see we have another extrude cut in this lower portion, so I will draw another extrude cut triangle here, and it has a distance from this line to this line is 10 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to this side. Okay, let's demonstrate. So I am selecting this top plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle from here and place the center rectangle to the origin. Now dimension it to 150 by 60 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 60 unit. So I am extrude bossing it to 16 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. So after that select this top face. Okay, now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a center corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here and draw a corner rectangle. After that corner rectangle has been drawn, select the smart dimension tool, and from this line to this line the dimension is 10 unit. So dimension is 10 unit, and select this vertical line, and this vertical line from this line has a dimension of 10 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 16 unit of the radius plus 24 unit. Okay, it will be 40 unit. Now press OK. So now we need to cut an incline cut. For that I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a line here and draw an incline line like this one. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this vertical line the distance is 45 unit, and from this point to this horizontal line the distance is 16 plus 24 units, so it will be 40 unit. Now select this point and this vertical line, the distance is 25 unit. Okay, selecting is 25 unit. Now select the line tool. Okay, selecting the line tool, place the line tool and to this point. Now draw a line. Now close the shape. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now press OK. So this incline cut has been done. Now we need to draw another incline cut in this face. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a line and draw an incline line again. So another incline line has been drawn. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this horizontal point the distance is 45 unit. So dimension it to 45 unit. Now this line, this point and this vertical line has a dimension of 16 unit. Okay, So after that, we can see uh, this point and this horizontal line has a dimension, has a distance of 25 unit. Okay, this portion has been done. Now I can select the line tool, place the line tool here and draw a line. Okay, this line has been drawn. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this vertical line the distance is 30 unit. Okay, the 30 unit distance has been drawn. So this small portion horizontal line has been drawn. Now select the line tool. Now place the line tool here and draw a vertical line. Okay, now close the shape. Okay, closing the shape. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now we need to draw another rectangle cut here. For that I am selecting the right plane. Okay, now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Place the corner rectangle here and draw a corner rectangle. Okay, the corner rectangle has been drawn. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this line to this vertical line, this horizontal line has a distance of 10 unit. Okay, distance of 10 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see we have another cut here, and this cut, for drawing this cut, I'll first of all I'll draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 10 unit. Then we can see the total distance is 12 units. Then I'll offset it to 6 unit this side and offset it to 6 unit in the other side. Then I will use the capping to draw this arc. Okay, then I will extrude cut this portion. If we go back to our this portion of the sketch, we can see we have a semicircle profile here, and this semicircle profile has a dimension of radius 16 unit and it has a extrude boss of 10 unit. Then we can see we have another extrude cut circle here, and this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 18 diameter, and we can see another extrude cut circle here, and this extrude cut circle has the same dimension of 18 diameter, but it has a distance of 25 unit from this line and a distance of 15 unit from this side. Okay, then we'll do the extrude cut portion. Okay, let's go back to our model, and now selecting this face of the sketch. Now sketch, now normal to it, now zoom out it, now move it. Now select the circle, place the circle here and draw a circle. Okay, this circle has been drawn. Now select the smart dimension tool and dimension it to 18 diameter. Okay, dimension it to, sorry, it has a dimension of 16 radius, so 16 multiplied by 2, so it will be 32 diameter. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to up to surface. Okay, I am selecting this surface. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now again selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle tool here and place the circle to the previous circle center line, and now dimension it to 18 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to, okay, now press OK. Now this time we have another extrude cut circle in this top face, so I am selecting this top face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle here and place the circle to here, and this circle has a diameter of 18 diameter. Now select the smart dimension tool, select this circle, and from this vertical line it has a distance of 25 unit, dimension it to 25 unit, and again select this circle, and from this horizontal line it has a distance of 15 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut it. So extrude cut it to, you can use through all both. Now press OK. We have another extrude cut here. For that I am selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it, now zoom it here. Okay, now moving it here. Now select a center line, okay, placing the center line to the center of this line. Okay, now draw a center line of 10 unit. Now select the offset entities. Now offset it to, as the total distance is 12 unit, so the offset will be 12 divided by 2, so it will be 60 unit. So I'm selecting this line. Now select the bidirectional, cap int, the arc. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now press OK. So this portion extrude cut has been done. Now if we go back to our sketch, we have a fillet here, and this fillet has a radius of 10 radius. Okay, so I am selecting the fillet option from here. Now dimension it to 10 radius and selecting this edge. Now press OK. So this portion has been also been done. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.